Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am fishing secret location. It's in Otago, that's all I'm going to say. But yeah, fishing for brook trout and also browns. I just caught my first fish of the day. Thought it was a brook, it was actually brown. It'd be about 3.5 pound. It was really fat, so it's quite a good fish to start off the day with. I've seen quite a few fish and I've actually seen my first brook trout. That was big, it'll be about 3 pounds, so hopefully we can go catch him. Stay tuned. It's pretty good here. Deep. So I like fishing deep water. If anyone watches my channel will know that. You generally can't. Oh, I had a bite. Oh, got him. Fish on! It's a brook! It's a brook! Please, that's a brook, isn't it? Is it a brook? Oh no, it's a brown. Oh. Oh, I thought it was a brook. Oh my god. Is it? No, it's a brown. Oh. Oh my lord. I literally just shat myself because I thought there was a brook trout. The real question is how am I going to land it? Oh, I thought that was a brook trout. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to put my camera there, put that there, try to find a way of getting this fish up. Oh man, this is like literally impossible. If this fish gets off, it's all good. Technically caught it anyway. I need to get on my knees. It's a bit sketchy, but hey, it's all good. There we go. Got him. It's a pretty nice fish too. But that's actually, shit, that's actually a really good fish. That, pretty good fish to be honest. Oath. So all I'm doing is using these black paddle tail soft plastics. Everyone knows in my videos that they're pretty much my favourites. I had another one on and yeah, changed to a different soft plastic, had nothing. Pretty much first cast, I put this back on and I got one. So shows you, stick to what you know. So I'm making my way around the dam, going to a bit that didn't look like it had much footprints and pressure. So I'm going to try get me another fish. Right, there's actually a dam here, a concrete area, so this could be quite fun. We're on. It feels like a good fish too. Oh, funny feeling is a big brown. Staying there. Oh yeah, it's a brown. Oh, double hookup! Yeah! Right. Double hookup, what the heck? Yeah, we both got real good fish, bro. Right, do you want to net his first?
Yeah.
Mine's bigger, but hey, we've got a double hookup! That's nuts! My one's pretty mean, yours is good size too. We've got a double hookup. Wait, mine, what's your tip, bro? Right, get yours out of the net and get ready to net mine. Right, don't mess mine up because it's a good fish. Look. Yeah, we will. Yeah. Double hookup. That's wicked, eh? Yeah, he's good size. Cheers! Oh, that. This is Todd's one. Chuck that. Off he goes. And then the big kahuna. Real nice fish. It's solid, eh? Back it up,